Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Teresa Michele, and today I am here with a video in collaboration with Amy. And I hope that I'm not pronouncing that wrong. If I am, I apologize. But Amy is a store that is on Amazon. And if you guys have been following me, you guys have seen all the DIY projects that I've been doing for Jordan's 12th birthday spa party. They have been coming out so freaking good. So Amy decided that they were going to partner with me and sent me a box of stuff that are spa party supplies. So let's go ahead and get in this box and see what's in there. I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's just so exciting already. Okay, look at all this stuff in this box. It comes with some disposable slippers. They're the spa slippers that you have in the nail salon. And there should be 8 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 8 pairs of these. These should be some robes. Some little satin pink robes. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. I can fit this. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh. So what I plan to do with these silk robes is put the girls' names on the back in gold glitter. Oh, it's going to be so freaking cute. All right, so the robe comes with a belt. Does it come with loops? Yep. Just loop this on in. This robe will be Jordan's since I'm all up in it. Here we go. Look at this. How cute is this? How cute is this? It looks so cute. I'm so excited. 8 robes. It comes with these 8 satin scrunchies right here, which is perfect for your hair because it's gentle on your hair. So if the girls want to put their hair up, we do not have to worry about their hair ripping out. So that's cute. It comes with 8 of these cat headbands. How cute are these? Adding a little bit of style. So that's cute. It also comes with 8 loofahs. This is perfect for the girls to take home and use at home. I just love this. This kit comes with so much stuff. Look at this. Ooh, it just makes me so excited. Oh, here's more. There. Then it doesn't end there. Look at these towels. These towels are so cute. They're for your face. They are perfect. They're so soft. I love how the edge has like a little design on it. It just elevates it a little bit more. The kit also comes with some ribbon. So what you can do is roll these up. You just fold them in half, roll them up like this, and then tie a cute little bow around this with this ribbon. And last but certainly not least are these cute baskets. This is like my favorite thing about this kit. I just love these little baskets. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Look at how cute this is. Look, it has little hearts on here. It's like the cutest little basket. I just love this little basket. This is a whole little 8 set. Look at how cute this little basket is. I just can't get over it. It's like so cute. You guys need to go head on over to Amazon. I will put the link in the description and you guys need to go get this. This is so cute. If you're having a little spa birthday party and don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a lot of stuff, this right here is perfect because it comes with like everything that you need. You can buy additional things on the side if you want to, but this right here is just like the perfect set. I just love this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, click on the link in the description box and get your spa kit today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.